It's pretty much the same thing as far as placement goes, but your angle of your wrist needs to go at the angle of where you're working on the eye.
Put your car seat on. Put your car seat. Where's the hook? All right, we are ready to go. I have to do this every morning because I'm short as fuck. I'm actually pretty early today. It's only 8:30 and class starts at 9, so I have some time. Oh, I almost scraped that car. Okay, hold on. So I usually do 3 days when it comes to my trainings. Unless it's a private training, then it's just 2 days, just a little bit longer than when it was 3 days. So I gave myself a good amount of time to get to the studio so that I could, like, everything's pretty much set up, but I do have my workbooks that I need to lay out for my girls, and then I got my tiles last night too. Kits are already all set. The table and chairs, the room is clean, disinfected, everything. So everything's ready to go. I did buy some new curtains that I need to put up because I'm in the process of kind of like getting my room finalized because it wasn't finalized. So we're doing that today. I'm trying to get everything to be like white, gold, and black in my room. That's kind of like the theme that I'm going for. I feel like it'd be a lot more cuter and everything, so super excited to see how that's gonna look. Oh, thank God I came early because look, I have to take a detour now.
All right, so we made it in. I just gotta go ahead and put the curtains up so that it's not so bright in here so that we could see the PowerPoint that I display on the TV. And I need to put down the workbooks and everything over here and put down the tiles. So everything's all nice and set up. I'll give you guys a little quick tour once I'm done. This was meant for a way bigger curtain rod. And I have like this tiny. There we go. Oh, those are very much blacked out. I was not expecting that, but cool. It works. Okay. I mean, I just need to put the light on. There we go. And then her up. So my girls are here and I'm so excited. Yay. Okay, we're back, we're training. Right now we're doing a training demo where I show students how to create hand-eye coordination and how to create angles when it comes to lash placement and proper glue dipping. So what I like to do is just have my students go ahead and place lashes where these little grooves are, and this will help determine if they're using too much glue, too less of glue, and making sure that their direction and that their angle is upright. So I just love doing that. It's a super cool little method that I like to teach my students, and like I said, it just helps create hand-eye coordination. It helps learn how to use your tweezers properly and how to get that muscle memory and that momentum going. Another thing, if you notice that your extension is maybe twisting to the left or to the right, you can always just straighten it out, because that's what you can do on somebody's natural lash too. We did it! Oh my god! Ah! So excited! Oh, you
Are you crying? Aww. Congratulations, we gotta celebrate.
yeah, we do. I had to like get myself together real quick. Ooh, I'm gonna make a whole ass video on this girl. You guys. First of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. That I can't believe there's 3,100 of you who actually like me. I mean, you may not actually like me, but like you're watching me. Thank you to those of you who support me, who comment, who help me reach my goal. Like, thank you guys so much. I need to do a live. All right, guys. I'm probably gonna go celebrate tonight. Morning, everyone. It is now Saturday, May 1st. It's about to be 9 o'clock. I'm waiting for the girls to come in. I have everything ready to go. I just finished making sure that everything looks nice and polished for them. Today is day 2, so I don't think I said it yesterday, but day 1 is mainly like terminology and hand coordination and proper placement, because those are like, even though classic is the fundamental to lashing, that's like the fundamentals to classic. Like, we want to make sure that, I want to make sure that my students understand that coordination, that muscle memory, where to properly place the lash and what it looks like if you use too much glue, if you're not dipping properly, and if you're not placing your classic extension the right way at the angle or direction that it needs to go. So today is day 2, and day 2 consists of learning how to tape lash shampoo bat, or lash taping, lash bats, 2-week fills, gel removal, and it seems like a lot, but those are kind of, I feel, to me personally, like the easier things to kind of maneuver. So that's what we're doing today. And they're also going to be taping on each other. So that's going to be really, really fun. So I believe I have one girl here. It's pretty much the same thing as far as placement goes, but your angle of your wrist needs to go at the angle of where you're working on the eye. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. So if you're in the inner corner in the right eye, your angle should be here. If you're in the outer corner of the right eye, your angle should be here. If you're at the inner corner, your angle should be at the direction that those natural lashes are coming out. 90 degrees in the center, 90 degrees towards the left side. Does that make sense? So whatever isolation tweezer you're going to use to separate your lashes is what is your choice. Personally, I like to use the straight tweezer for inner corner lashing and the curved tweezer for outer corner lashing, okay? Curves of the eye start to come up. So for me, I'm always going to depict where's my center point. Starts to kind of drop back down about right here. Does that make sense? Do you guys kind of see that? As you go, you'll be able to visualize that a lot more. The eye is going to be 10, 11, 12, and 13. What to do is just grab your tape, place it underneath your doll head. So now her head comes up at the angle you need to be. And this is where you might have to move your chair, because you want to be 90 degree at the angle or where the section you're working on. So now in the center, go in and go out. Make sure I have not too much product. Yep. And now I can go ahead and use my pinky to stabilize and make sure that that lash is curving to the outer corner. See? Place your hand on your client's forehead. Don't be afraid to do that, okay? Use this as a stabilization, and your wrist should always be 90 degree. We are done with day 2. We just finished right now. Everything went really, really well. The girls grasped concept really, really good. Today, as you guys saw, we just went over like taping. We went over mapping. You see my map chart. I let the girls use I call them Deborahs. So they're the Deborah doll heads because they have like actual eyelashes and the eyelids. They actually move, so it's really, really cool. So they did really, really good. I'm so glad. So I'm just wrapping everything up because I have a baby shower to go to today, my best friend's baby shower. And that's it for today. So tomorrow is the final day of this training course and it is exam day. So I have my girls take a small quiz and then a hands-on exam where I watch them tape, lash, proper isolation, proper application and direction and flow. I just like doing that just so I could see if they grasp the concept and where areas that I feel like they need to practice more, and I get to evaluate my students. So, but yeah, I might vlog a little bit of today's baby shower just to throw something a little exciting in there. But if not, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3, last day. So this is probably the end of today's vlog. So yeah, guys, it's day 3 of class vlog training day. Today is going to be exam day and then going over business aspects as far as lashing goes, and as well as popping a little bubbly because I like to do a little celebration for my girls so that we can celebrate their new careers and they can just go off with good luck within the future. So we're gonna go in the workbooks. I have like a little exam flow chart that I like to go off of. So I'm just gonna read it over real quick and have a little snippets in there, but not everything because I'm not sure. Stop washing and go ahead and start with your finishing touches.
I guess there's no more water in this.
Oh,
So I pretend.
I seen the motion. Very good. Very good. So the only notes that I have on there is just still working a little bit on the direction a little bit when you're isolating.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. Everything else is fine. You did all your checklists and everything.
Yeah, I just feel super I need to get way better with my left hand and that tweezer.
Yeah, it's gonna take you time. You know, like I said, it's building that muscle memory. The more you practice with it, the better it is. So really good. You guys did. You all did really, really good. Day 3. Oh, you can see it. Ah. Cheers. So happy for you guys. I was getting some from Amazon, and you kind of have to be careful because they lose their curl really, really fast. Like the first 2 washes, they flatten out, so it looks funny. So just be careful when you're buying those. But for me, when I make fans, like, yeah, the strips are like, it's just little, like I said, a row of just little lashes, and I have to go and pinch and put it in glue and go as I go. Okay, so as you can see, this natural lash kind of wanted to go that way, but the direction that this lash needs to be is 90 degrees parallel, right? So I had to mock the direction of that natural lash. Do you see how when I placed it, I placed it on top, but I made sure to keep that lash taut 90 degree straight up, not curving at that natural lash or curving outwards. I'm going at the angle that I needed to. All right, guys, that is it. That is the end of this lash course vlog. Everything went really well. The girls did really, really great. I'm so excited for them for their new careers. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what future content you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys next time.